This is what happens when you make iced chai with real tea and zero sugar. Most chai powders that you'll find on your supermarket shelf or in your coffee shop menu, their first ingredient is sugar. Yep, not tea, not spices, but sugar. You're essentially making a sweetened milkshake and just calling it a chai. This is different. It's real black tea and spices with nothing else. It's sugar-free, not because anything's been taken out, but it was just never there to begin with. It's just tea. If you've ever made a nice matcha at home, you know exactly how to do this. Spoon your perfect teaspoon of chai powder into your bowl, add a small pour of hot water, not boiling, and then with your bamboo whisk using the same W motion you'd use to create a matcha shot. Fill your glass with ice, pour in your milk first, and then pour your chai shot slowly over the top. See that ombre effect? That doesn't happen with a regular sugary powder. Make sure to give it a good stir before you drink. Iced chai. Sugar-free, made in under 2 minutes, and genuinely better than anything you'd ever order out.